Conigma Connect. No code, no effort.
So today, we see an example of Jira as a project management board for hybrid SAP IT Factory, which manages SAP Transports for on-prem and BTP transport management. Let's go ahead and click here to create User Story. In this example, we'll call it New Rules for Accounting. Here, we see the attributes of the user story and have to select affected SAP system landscapes like Financial Management, HCM, or SAP BTP. The same can be done for epics or bugs. Now, let's drag the newly created user story to In Progress, and automatically, the SAP BTP as well as the HCM transports are created by Conigma CCM. Let's now click on the details, and we'll see that a Workbench request and customizing request have been created automatically, both with a modifiable status. We also see here that an SAP BTP transport for UI changes is automatically created by Conigma CCM. At this stage, let's assume that something was developed and/or customized, e.g. in HCM some wage types and on SAP BTP the corresponding GUI elements. So let's move the user story from In Progress to Import to QA, and let's take a look at the SAP Transport Organizer in SAP GUI to see what happens in the background. Both transports are released automatically and imported to the SAP QA system. If we open the SAP import queue, we see that the two new transports are already part of the QA import queue. After a few seconds, the two transports are imported automatically. Back to our Jira project management board, we also see that the user story has changed its status automatically. Opening the details of the user story, we see that all three transports are listed as released. The two HCM transports are imported to the HCM QA system. SAP BTP Transport was successfully imported to the BTP QA. This is only one example. Instead of using the original Workbench and customizing transports, Conigma CCM can work with transport of copies at this stage. If after a technical and functional approval you want to move these changes to production, then you just drag and drop the user story to the next status. The physical import can be performed in real time or scheduled rule-based by a regular job.